Welcome to Nari Sakhi, and today let's make carrot. It's called koshimbhir salad with seasoning, and it's very easy to make. So let's get started. I have here carrots cleaned, grated, and we can do this at the last minute. Carrots are very healthy for your eyes. Some salt, and some sugar, pinch of sugar. You can skip the sugar because carrots are sweet, but this will enhance the flavor. And chopped cilantro. Cilantro also good for eyes and detoxification. So add cilantro to this. And I've added roasted crushed peanuts. This will give a nice crunch to your salad. And some lemon juice. This will also give a nice flavor and it won't oxidize also, the lemon juice. Now this is ready. Now it's very good because it has proteins, carrots and cilantro. It's very good for eyes, especially for kids who don't like vegetables. This is a perfect side dish. Now we are going to season it with oil and some spices. So I've taken oil. Make sure the oil is hot enough. And now we are going to add mustard seeds. And mustard seeds are good for releasing the gas in your body. That's the reason we use mustard seeds in our cooking. So when mustard seeds splutter, that is the time they release the flavor. I'm going to add green chilies. And green chilies, they should have those slight spots on them. So that is the time they will release the flavor. And the green chilies, if some people have the habit of eating, like I like to eat this kind of green chilies in the oil, so it will give a nice flavor. So make sure you can lower the gas or put it off, but the green chili should have some spots so that the flavor is released and also you can taste the green chili. So let it cool down a little bit and then add to this carrots. And this is a perfect side dish, a healthy one, and especially good for kids. You know, it has carrots, peanuts, cilantro, lemon juice, everything healthy. So do try this and please subscribe Nari Sakhi for more videos. Thank you for watching.